Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I've been doing a lot of harvesting recently, and it's time to do a little bit more. This Napa cabbage needs to come out of here before it starts bolting, and I'm really surprised it hasn't started going to seed already. There's only one plant that has tried to form a head. The rest are pretty open, but I figure if I take all of this out, I should be able to get 2 or 3 quarts of kimchi out of it. Starting with the one that's forming a head. Not real tight, but it'll do. I already made a, oh, I got snails. I already made a video on making kimchi, so I'm not going to do that again. But that's what I'm going to be doing this afternoon. That's not too terribly bad. Let's see about the rest of these. That one did not form a head, but it's still edible. And this will free up some more space in the garden for my summer crops, which is really my ultimate goal out here. Let's see, that one's kind of small, but I'm going to take them all out of here. That one's pretty. Let's see how many more we got in here. Might as well get some of these weeds out while I'm here. There's another tiny one here. Boy, that one's real tiny. Of course, there's 2 or 3 of them right there in the same spot. So they were kind of crowding each other out a bit. In fact, those 3 were growing off of the same set of roots. That's interesting. And it looks like one more down here. Well, 2 actually. There's another, well, that snail's dead at least. Not much to this one. Looks like that's the one the bugs were eating. So I think I'll let them keep eating it. Can't do any damage now. But now I can get at least this end of the bed cleaned up. I'm going to leave the red mustard in until I get some seeds out of it. The Florida broadleaf mustard is pretty much finished flowering, so it's just producing seeds now. So I'll be gathering those seeds before long. But this should make me 2 or 3 quarts of kimchi. I'm going to follow the same procedure I used in the video that I made on making kimchi, but I'm going to experiment with a few different herbs and spices, see what I like the best. But that's the harvest for that. And I'm not sure what I'll be harvesting next. Let's see, I could pull the broccoli out, but the bees are still having fun on that, so I think I'll leave that for them, especially since the Florida mustard doesn't have many flowers left on it. Gotta leave something for the pollinators. And then I'll probably start cleaning out parts of that bed over there next. But for now, that's the Napa cabbage. So I'm going to get this in the house, get it cleaned up, and I'll be making kimchi this afternoon. So I'll see you next time.